So have you ever heard of the term timelines and how do we create one? So here's a few examples of what actually a timeline is, and you're going to get a better idea by the end of the video, hopefully. So, number one, how do you create a new timeline? By manifesting. So manifesting is a great way, but there are cons to it, because if you haven't healed parts of your past, you're going to manifest the same thing over and over again. Number two, trauma. Trauma is breakups, loss. Even having a new baby is a trauma, because it's creating a new version of you. And that's really what a new timeline is creating the new you. Number three is healing. And this is where the Soul Collective comes in, because it's controlled chaos, right? So you're controlling the healing because you're going to face the darkness willingly and openly. And that's a new way of creating a new version of you. So if you're interested, go to the link in my bio and check it out.